asuntosakeyhtiö pari maininki.
Yes, today is the 7th of July 2022. This is amazing. It's on Maininkitie 26B, probably the only one with on the way to here.
Yeah.
Dyningvägen. It's in Kivenlahti, Stensvik, close to Espoo, Espoo in Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland. The door to the bunker said 1973. Let's see what it says in this elevator. It's an original ValmetSclieren elevator. It has a capacity of 6 persons of 480 grams, built in 1974. So this is early 1974. Amazing with 10 floors. And this number is VS 3556. It's going to be expected this year, 2022. This has 2 runs. Let's see if it has memory. Yes. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Maybe the best one today so far. Together with the R series, of course. I love the sounds here.
Same. It's feedback events maintained by Finland.
I'll go and check the alarm bell first of all.
Yeah. That's